like driving the Evo too. Listen to this. Ready? Oh baby! She's just too quick, boys. She's just too quick. Driving it fast to have fun. I mean, just listen to that. Woo, baby! Oh, baby! Something else, boys. She's something else. Woo! Turbines, baby. This is a car. Forget your other Evos, early Evos with an engine swap. Yeah, baby. Woo! Ooh! Not even driving it fast, man. This is just below 60. Don't believe me? Have a look. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button now. Thank you. As you can see, the temperatures are consistently nice. Everything is beautiful. It's a beautiful car, baby. Beautiful, beautiful car. Love her. And now to have a quick little walk around video. Guys, let me know what you think about my little baby. I built her from a bare shell, completely bare. Took me over a year to build her. She's obviously fully caged. Got an Evo 7 engine in her with about 40,000 kilometers on it. It's a full RS drivetrain I put on her. She's got an E-to-8 RS gearbox, 6 RS transfer box, 6 RS prop and a 4 RS rear diff. She's got got an EVO 10 HS back exhaust system. It's a full custom exhaust system. Obviously I've got the S209 Turbo Technics Turbo on there, which is a stock frame fitment, but it just packs such a punch. And it's only mapped at 1.4 bar. It's probably weighs around a ton or just less than a ton. It's absolutely